meet project requirements by effectively planning capacity and allocating resources. In Workload, you can view everyone's daily and weekly capacity, calendar events, and days off. Individual capacity is calculated automatically using tracked hours and time estimates. This lets you assign tasks fairly while ensuring the right people are available for specific projects. Using drag and drop, you can easily redistribute work if someone's got too much or too little on their plate. This helps you prevent burnout, stay productive, and make the most of your time. You'll also know if someone's out sick or away for an event so that you can reschedule or reassign their tasks. That's crucial to keep projects on track and avoid roadblocks. Any changes you make to tasks will be instantly reflected in Workload, so you always get the most precise picture of your team's availability, capacity, and responsibilities. Go up to a year in advance to plan future projects for you and your clients. Set realistic deadlines for better prioritization and less stress. See if your team's got the necessary skills or if you need to hire more people to meet your clients' needs. Explore Workload to see how it can help you boost your team's productivity and create a healthier work environment.